The greatest fear in this world is of the opinion of others. The moment that you are unafraid of the crowd, you are no longer a sheep. You become a lion. Map out the lion cub using a jumbo eye pencil, and then fill using different shades of the SFX creams in white, brown, yellow and black. Utilising the texture of the dual fibre detail brush, which will help you to create a fur effect, create white highlights with the jumbo eye pencil and paint the remaining skin gold with the vivid bright cream colour. Contour your face with the SFX creams to mimic the natural shadows of a lion's face. Fill your eyebrows normally with the micro brow pencil, carving and prepping the lid with a concealer. On the eyelids, blend a medium brown into the socket and a cream tone onto the lid from the Golden Hour Perfect Filter palette. Use the lid Lingerie and Checkmate to create a winged eyeliner. To create the nose, take the Epic Ink liner and outline your desired heart-shaped nose. Fill this area with the Fuchsia SFX cream colour. For the whiskers, create flesh-coloured lines centering at the lip fold and draw a train of dots along these lines with liquid liner. Messily draw a black line along the inside of your upper and lower lip to create an illusion of fur with the Wicked lipstick. Create hairs using black and white liquid liners. Apply Wicked lashes and Exaggerated and lay them on me. Create a white chest using the white SFX paints. Strain Intense to find the contours of the body and shade with the contour kit. Paint the remaining areas of the body gold and add false lashes to the lower lash line.